Hi guys, for today's video, ang aking topic ngayon is paano i-resolve ang needle prick injury. So I had an experience in our hospital na needle prick injury ako, and then that time kinuhaan ng blood sample yung patient plus ako din serum sample, and then inrun siya for HIV and hepatitis B and C. So that time I didn't receive any injection, pero sa ibang hospital may binibigay sila. So depends yun sa hospital policy ninyo. So sa amin is nag-fill lang ako sa system namin ng ano yung nangyari, paano nangyari yung needle prick injury. And then that day then, since first time ko nga needle prick, sobrang takot na takot ako and I don't know what to do. Kasi nga, syempre delikado yun sa atin kasi napakahalaga sa atin ng hindi tayo mahawa ng kahit anumang sakit sa hospital. So, ang policy sa amin is that same day kukuhaan ng blood yung patient and nurse, and then after 6 months kukuhaan ng blood yung nurse to check again